This is an elevator share between Sentral and Whole Foods in Denver, Colorado. It's a KONE EcoDisc with KSS 570. One's a 500 replacement button. This elevator is actually locked, but they give you the code. There's that. So go to basement 1. It's really weird. Go to basement 1. I think someone's there. You guys have no one. I'm not sure if that opens. No, that doesn't open the residence floors. I think that only opens the Whole Foods floors. Alright, so we'll go to Whole Foods mezzanine. Alright, here's the mezzanine. Alright, 1R does not require a code. The basic, like, gray laminate wood cap here back at 1, not at far distance at all. Key switch. You close this and that's going to be it.